Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this morning, this is I think 10:18. Let me check my small phone. I think 10:18. I'm going to look for my what was it? Yeah, I'm correct. 10:18. I'm going to look for my ring light charger because when I took it to where um I fixed my mic, they told me there is the charger, there is the problem. So I'm taking it back to the place for them to fix it. They told me that I should bring my ring light and you know, so they can be able to test it. So I'm going there now. So like I said, this the ring lights have been giving me headache because my son spoiled the ring lights. And that ring lights, I think it's almost 3 years now. Let me remove this. It's almost 3 years, guys, since I bought that ringlet, and it has been very sound, very cool. It's not giving me headache, and the lightning, very very bright. So yeah, I'll be going to fix it so I can be able to do my videos and the rest because without that ringlet, inside house is very dark, very very dark. Even if there's light, it's still dark. So I'll just go and fix it today and still fix my laptop because it's my phone. Can't be able to contain all the whole videos and the rest. I need to be using my laptop for the editing. Although I didn't really buy a new laptop, I've been using the laptop since I was in 100 level back then in school. So let me decided to go and fix it today. But the laptop issue is much. It's not even on at all, and the battery as well. So I have to change the battery and buy one or few things, the charger as well. I know that today will be very very hectic for me, but it's all good. Still, I'm sweating this early morning. God, I beg go. So, guys, I will see you guys soon. Let me go and buy the rest of the things. I'll still go to the market today, Sha. So guys, at this point I'm so tired. I've been looking for this charger for a very long time. I didn't see it. This is the 5th shop that I'm going now, so let me check if this particular people will have it. Baby, I come out get mommy. Yes, one nigga no before you get one biscuit. Come on, me chezure. The Lord has done it finally. Finally. The Lord has done it all. So guys, I'm back from what's it called? Recon. I went to Recon, and if I knew Gail, you know where I'm talking about. So guys, I'm finally back and my ring light is now back to life. One thing I told God this morning when I was leaving, one thing I told God the morning when I was leaving was, I don't have money to buy another ring light. Because when my ring light, I bought it 21k. As of that time, now when things they cheap now, no go there, ring light too cost now. So I'm going to start buying new ring lights again because of money no day. And with the situation of things at hand, so I can't be able to afford ring lights, at least not now. I really thank God for answering my prayers. At least God really answered my prayers, because buying ring lights is a no-no for me, at least for now, is a no-no. So I say this one I've been using since, I'll still continue to use it again. Thank God I finally found the charger. I really thank God for that. I found the charger, and I'm waiting for the NEPA to bring light. So once they bring light, I will show you guys my ring light. I'm so happy. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so happy. At least finally I can be able to use my ring lights in peace and not in pieces. And I'll not also keep it where my kids can touch it. So if you're a YouTuber or you're a content creator, please always hide such things from your kids, because these children, they don't know what in the ring light, so they don't know. The ring light is working, guys. This is past 9. I've been busy cooking, doing some house chores, and yeah, I started to just test the ring lights now, and almost the girl really tried though. This is the outcome of this light. God, this light is lighting. Let me show you guys the mirror. Can you see the lights? So far, I'm so excited. More good light is good though. Let me see if I can. I want to adjust. Black is big, guys. I'm so happy. So at this point, I think I'll end this video. I'm so tired. I'm really grateful if you've watched to this point, and thank you so much for always supporting me. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Thank you so much. So guys, I'm so tired. I've just finished cooking and I need to rest, plus the whole stress that I went through today. It's not easy. Let me go and take my bed and sleep. So tired. I will see you guys in my next video. So I want to appreciate you all, those that have watched this point. You guys are super amazing. And for those of you that just see my face for the first time, my name is Osita Jennifer. Please subscribe to my channel. Be cool. Subscribe to this beautiful channel. Of course, to my 20 subscribers, you guys are so amazing. Thank you so much for always stopping by, for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you all. I will see you guys in my next video, guys. Bye.